Twitter is letting anyone apply for verification for the first time since 2017. You going to go get your check mark, Willie Do, or what?
Yeah, I actually emailed Twitter like right before this show. Be like, hey, man.
Hey, man.
Can I get verified?
Hey, man, I'm Willie Do. DJ Willie Do.
Yeah.
It's because you don't have the DJ part in there on your handle. If they saw that, then they'd be like, oh, that's who you are.
Yeah. I got to change my name.
Get the DJ in there. You don't need to email them. There's actually an official way to do it now.
Well, I can't find the button. It wasn't at least on my
really
Android Twitter app.
Well, you're in a real rush to get this done.
Yeah.
Wow. Holy cow.
Well, before the floodgates opened and everyone knows about it, I was hoping to get an edge, but...
Wow, I didn't know this was such a big deal to you, Will.
Oh, yeah.
You care to explain? What's the thing? It's a Pinocchio thing? You want to be a real boy?
Oh, yeah.
I'm a real boy now. Yeah. Actually...
it's nice to have.
No, there's a real reason for it. I know you don't want to say it, but like there's a real reason for it. I'm joking. I'm just joking around. People, you get impersonators and they're trying to goof on people and scam people. And
fun.
It does absolutely happen. And it's so annoying. And then you get the emails like, I was scammed because of this and that. And you're just like, oh God, don't believe anything. Just don't give anybody money for that. Let me just say something right now. If you ever win a giveaway, I'm never asking you for money. I am never asking you for money. It's the same as the Elon Musk Bitcoin scams. It's like, look, you're about to double your money. You just got to send me the first bit.
Yeah, you got to pay for shipping.
Red flag. Do not go sending money with the promise of more coming back. That's been since the beginning of time. I'll tell you what. Since the beginning of the internet. Don't be sending that money around.
No. So check mark.
Anyway, check marks they can't even solve it, but they can help it a little bit. Because then you can be like, look, it didn't come from the official guy because the check mark wasn't there. So here's the criteria to get the check mark. You either got to be in the government, company, brand, or organization, news organizations and journalists, entertainment business, sports and gaming, activists, organizers, and other influential individuals. Which one of these are you now that you're applying for these things and demanding these check marks?
I would say influential.
Easy?
Oh, maybe not. I don't know.
Holy cow. You're out here calling yourself influential now?
Sure.
You trying to influence people?
Yes.
Trying to influence the way I think right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe fit into that one. I don't know. You like referring to yourself as that though?
Fits, right?
When people ask you
entertainment, maybe.
When they ask you, hey, Willie Do, what do? You say, I'm an influential individual. Is that what you say?
Just muttering? Yeah. Sure, yeah, I'll
That's
say
what
that.
you say. Yeah. Anyway, they say you're going to get a response within a few days, but it could open up to a few weeks depending on the volume of applications.
Yeah.
Dun, dun, dun.
But you can do it all within the app. You don't have to tweet out verified or Twitter.
Right.
Yeah.
Now, here's the thing about the verification part of Twitter is that they suspended the program all the way back in 2017. It's crazy as how long it's been turned off for. I'm sure there's been some exceptions, but it's 2021 right now. I don't know if you knew that. And it's about time they open it back up. I guess they had problems in the past, but they got it right, and it is a useful feature, and they should totally get that sorted out. It sounds like they're getting that sorted out finally.
Yeah. I'm sorry. You can go into the settings and do it.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Yeah. I didn't say that.
Yeah, you have to have a government-issued ID, official email address, official website. That's you have to go through a series of questions so they can see if it's necessary to. And also, if you get denied, you can apply again in 30 days. It's kind of nice. I mean, that's one of those cryptic processes that now people know, oh, there's a way to, just like having a partnered channel on YouTube or Twitch or whatever, there's a pathway.
Yes.
Like, here's the official way to do that thing if you hope to do that thing.